If you've been struggling with gout pain, stiff joints, or swelling around your toes or ankles, there's a silent culprit you might be overlooking, and it's hiding in your plate of bright, sunny-colored foods. Yes, not all yellow foods are harmless. While some are rich in nutrients, others can quietly spike uric acid levels, triggering painful flare-ups and long-term joint damage. In today's video, we'll uncover 8 yellow foods you might be eating every day that can make gout worse, and explain why cutting back on them can help you finally find relief. Stick with us until the end, because number 1 is a food most people think is healthy, but it's one of the biggest uric acid traps out there. Number 8, corn. It's a staple in many meals, from cornflakes at breakfast to corn on the cob at dinner. But here's what many people don't realize. Corn is high in fructose, a sugar that breaks down into purines, the same compounds that lead to uric acid buildup. When the body processes too much fructose, it triggers the liver to produce more uric acid, and that's bad news for anyone prone to gout. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that diets high in fructose significantly increase uric acid levels over time. Corn itself isn't evil, but it becomes a problem when it's in processed forms: corn syrup, corn chips, cornflakes, and soft drinks. If you're watching your uric acid, it's best to limit these and choose whole grains like oats or quinoa instead. And speaking of sweet and starchy, that brings us to another yellow favorite that can be just as sneaky. Number 7, bananas. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, but if you have gout or high uric acid, you'll want to watch how often you eat them. While bananas are low in purines, they're moderate in fructose, which can still raise uric acid when eaten in excess. The problem is that many people combine bananas with other high-sugar foods like yogurt or smoothies, which can make the impact much stronger. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who consume more fructose have a significantly higher risk of developing gout. One banana a day is generally fine, but if you're already dealing with gout pain, it's better to limit them to a few times per week and pair them with high-fiber or alkaline foods like spinach or cucumber to balance acidity. Now, if you thought bananas were tricky, wait until you see what comes next. A yellow fruit that looks refreshing but can silently sabotage your joints. Number 6, pineapple. Pineapple is famous for its enzyme bromelain, which helps with digestion and inflammation. But here's the twist. It's also loaded with natural sugars, especially when canned or juiced. Those sugars quickly turn into uric acid inside your body. What's worse, most canned pineapples are soaked in syrup, making them twice as harmful for anyone trying to manage gout. Fresh pineapple in small portions can still offer benefits, but if you're having frequent flare-ups, opt for low-sugar fruits like cherries or berries instead. Both are known to lower uric acid. And speaking of sweet and sour, our next yellow food may look innocent, but it's one of the biggest offenders for people who think they're eating healthy. Number 5, mangoes. Bright, juicy, and delicious. Mangoes are tropical favorites, but they're also fructose bombs. 1 cup of sliced mango has nearly 23 grams of sugar, most of it fructose. That much sugar triggers a rapid spike in uric acid production. According to research in arthritis and rheumatology, high fructose diets increase the risk of gout by up to 62%, especially in older adults. If you can't resist mangoes, moderation is key. A few small slices once in a while won't hurt, but daily smoothies or desserts made with mango can quickly push uric acid levels beyond safe limits. And if you thought fruits were the only concern, think again. Our next food is something millions drink every morning without realizing how much it worsens inflammation. Number 4, yellow energy drinks and sodas. Those bright yellow bottles of sports or energy drinks might look refreshing, but they're loaded with high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, and artificial colors, all of which contribute to higher uric acid. Fructose spikes uric acid, while citric acid in processed drinks can alter the body's pH, making it harder for the kidneys to eliminate waste. Over time, that means more uric acid crystals forming around your joints. A Harvard study found that people who drank just 1 sugary beverage per day had an 85% higher risk of developing gout compared to those who rarely drank them. Swap these drinks for water, coconut water, or herbal teas. They keep you hydrated and help flush out excess uric acid naturally. And speaking of drinks, the next yellow item might surprise you because it's often seen as a health booster. Number 3, turmeric lattes and golden milk. Turmeric is often praised for its anti-inflammatory powers, and yes, turmeric itself is good for you, but not when it's turned into sweet, milky, golden lattes. Many cafe versions are made with whole milk, sugar, and syrup, all of which can worsen uric acid levels. Milk proteins can increase insulin levels, which may interfere with uric acid excretion, while sugar directly fuels purine buildup. If you love turmeric, make your own at home with unsweetened almond milk and no added sugar. That way, you keep the benefits of curcumin without the downside of hidden sugar and fat. And since we're talking about rich, creamy foods, the next one is a classic comfort dish that can quickly turn into a gout trigger. Number 2, macaroni and cheese. That golden yellow bowl of mac and cheese might look comforting, but it's a triple threat for uric acid. It's high in refined carbs, saturated fat, and sodium, all of which make your body retain more uric acid. Cheese and butter are both animal-based fats, which can increase purine breakdown. Meanwhile, white pasta quickly converts into sugar once digested, another trigger for uric acid spikes. If you can't give it up completely, try switching to whole grain pasta with olive oil and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast instead of processed cheese. It satisfies the craving without overloading your joints. And finally, we reach number 1, a yellow food so common in daily diets that most people don't even realize it's fueling their gout attacks. Number 1, fried potatoes, fries, hash browns, and chips. Few foods are as tempting or as harmful for uric acid as fried yellow potatoes. When potatoes are deep fried, their starch turns into simple sugars, and the oils used, often vegetable or seed oils, promote inflammation. According to a Harvard Health study, high glycemic foods like fries can double the risk of gout flare-ups because they raise insulin levels and block the kidneys from removing uric acid effectively. Even oven-baked fries can be risky if they're covered in salt or cooked in unhealthy oils. A better option? Boiled or baked potatoes with olive oil and herbs. You'll still enjoy them, but without the gout-inducing aftermath. And there you have it, 8 yellow foods that spike uric acid levels. It's not just about avoiding yellow foods, it's about balancing your diet to keep uric acid under control. Add more green leafy vegetables, cherries, low-fat dairy, and plenty of water. These help neutralize acid and flush out uric acid naturally. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing alcohol intake also make a huge difference. Remember, gout isn't just a joint issue, it's a metabolic warning sign. Taking small steps today can prevent big problems later. Yellow foods may look bright and cheerful, but some can hide a darker side when it comes to your health. By understanding how these foods affect uric acid, you can make smarter choices and protect your joints for years to come. Cutting back doesn't mean giving up flavor, it means choosing foods that help your body heal, not hurt. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. Which of these yellow foods do you eat most often? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like to support our work, check out our channel merch or tap the super thanks button below. Every bit of support helps us keep creating valuable health content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.